Hi there, Elliot from the Curtain and Blind Company here. In this short video, I want to show you a few things that might help you determine whether or not a recess fit blind or a face fit blind is right for you. We know that there are some aesthetic differences between recess and face fit. Recess is where it gets top fixed within the window frame, and face fit where it gets fitted to the outside. But there may be some technical limitations on how you're able to fit your blind. So take this window for example. This window has a beautiful architrave, but a very narrow recess. This is a standard roller blind bracket. As we can see, it's simply too long for the recess. However, we know that face fitting changes the direction of the installation of the bracket. So that will work. It's important to know as much about your window as possible. So if you have any questions or queries, or you have an irregular window and just want some advice, feel free to give us a call.